Hello friends, COVID-19 is an epidemic and well you know that it has taken in its grip to the whole world. So many nations are today in its grip and it has shown its deadly effects all over the world. Spain, America, Britain and so many other nations are badly affected by it. Even in our country, it has spread at a large scale. Though all the necessary precautions steps have been taken by Indian government and a large number of people are contributing their best are fighting against coronavirus. Much have been taken to defeat it. Much efforts have been taken to defeat this coronavirus. Each and everyone, every institution, every government of the world is fighting hard against coronavirus. Each and every people of the world is fighting in a way so that it may be wiped out from the world. Thousands of people have died. Thousands of people have been cured and millions of people are infected by it. This infection is very fatal not only to our present generation but to the future generations too. And so it is our duty to wipe out, to defeat this coronavirus, and it can only happen when each and every person of the world, each and every person of the nation becomes an active fighter against it. And how do one can be a perfect fighter? One can be a fighter against coronavirus only by being isolated, only by being at his home. Follow the government advisory, stay at home, stay positive. If this virus has affected so many persons in the world, so many persons have also defeated it. One must ever be positive and we must develop a positive attitude in us, and definitely through our positivity we will be successful to defeat coronavirus. Stay positive, stay at home, follow the government advisory, wash your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds at some intervals. Your efforts your staying at home will definitely check, will definitely stop, will definitely kill this coronavirus. Stay home. Suggest your loved ones to stay home. Stay positive, stay wealthy, stay healthy, and this effort of your and your loved ones will definitely prove a milestone, and we will be able to defeat this coronavirus. Once again, I do request to all the inhabitants of the nation, of the world, to stay at home, to stay isolated, to stay quarantined, to stay at home, to stay safe, to defeat coronavirus. Thank you.